In this problem, we have to find the matrix X. For this, first of all, think the order of the matrix X. The concept behind this problem is the concept of multiplication of two matrices. Now, think about the concept of multiplication of two matrices. What is the concept? A matrix of order m by n will be multiplied by another matrix of order n by p. Then, after matrix multiplication, you will get a new matrix which has the order of m by p. Now, let the matrix X has the order of m by n. As this matrix is multiplied with another matrix which has the order 2 by 3. Hence, from the above concept of matrix multiplication, n must be equal to 2. Now, after multiplication of the matrix X and another matrix which is given in the problem, you are getting the new matrix in RHS which has the order of 2 by 3. Hence, from this m must be equal to 2. That way, we have got the order of the matrix X, which will be a square matrix of order 2 by 2. Now, assume that the matrix X as the entries in the first row A, C, in the second row B and D. Now this matrix X will be multiplied with another matrix in the given problem. After performance of the operation of matrix multiplication, use the concept of equality of two matrices. Then you will get the equations. After solving those equations, you can get the value of A, B, C and D. Right? This is the approach behind this problem. Now we are going to discuss the solution in detail. We have discussed that the matrix X is a 2 by 2 matrix. Right? Now we have assumed that the matrix X equals to, in the first row A and C, in the second row B and D are the entries. Right? Now, according to the problem, the matrix X will be multiplied with the matrix which will be 2 by 3 matrix. This matrix has the entries in the first row that you can see 1, 2 and 3. In the second row, it is 4, 5 and 6. Using the concept of matrix multiplication, the matrix X will be multiplied by the given matrix. Then you will get once again a 2 by 3 matrix which have the entries A plus 4C, 2A plus 5C, 3A plus 6C in the first row. In the second row, B plus 4D, 2B plus 5D, 3B plus 6D. Now, according to this problem, this matrix will be equal to the matrix in RHS which will be 2 by 3 matrix and the entries that you can see. Now, according to the concept of equality of two matrix, A plus 4C equals to minus 7, 2A plus 5C equals to minus 8, 3A plus 6C equals to minus 9, B plus 4D equals to 2, 2B plus 5D equals to 4 and 3B plus 6D equals to 6. Solving these equations, you can get the value of A, B, C and D that you can see. Hence, you will get the required matrix X.